Have you ever gone to sleep with a perfect 3C ringlet and woken up with a flat, confused wave? You didn't lose your curl pattern, it was biologically hijacked. For a while I've been showing you a lot of straight hair textures, but today, we're coming home to the science of the curl. We've talked about pillows and porosity, but those are just surface issues. Today, we're going inside the cortex to find out why your curls are literally resetting while you sleep. But before we dive into this topic, I want us to be clear with each other. This video is based on my knowledge and words of the topic, but the images I use are pure illustrations of what I'm trying to say to you. And due to language barriers, I use a voiceover. So, if you appreciate the honesty and you're ready to fix your hair, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now that we're clear on that, let's continue. There are two main bonds in your hair, disulfide bonds and hydrogen bonds. The disulfide bonds give your hair its permanent shape, but the hydrogen bonds are what give it its temporary shape. These hydrogen bonds are broken by water and by heat, and that includes the heat from your own head, pressed against a pillow all night. When you sleep, the weight of your head creates what's essentially a heat set. If there is even just 5% residual moisture left in your hair, the hydrogen bonds will reform in a flat position. So your curl didn't disappear, it was basically heat pressed by your own body heat against the bed. While we're talking about the best way to treat your hair, I'm excited to finally share the official digital home for hair by Jacob. If you want to see the real-world results of the science we discuss here, you can head over to our website to browse my professional portfolio. Beyond that, we've built a curated shop page featuring our trusted alliance partners, so you can find the exact tools and products I stand behind. This is also where you'll find our future educational content and courses if you're ready to master your craft. And if you have specific questions or just want to connect, you can reach me directly through our email address or the website's contact page. All the links are in the description. And now, let's get back to the science. Curly hair has what's called an asymmetrical cortex. This means one side of the hair strand grows faster than the other, and that difference in growth speed is what creates the spring or coil in your hair. Now, when you use heavy products or you go to sleep on even slightly damp hair, you create mechanical tension that overstretches the more fragile side of that cortex. Over time, this leads to what I call pattern fatigue. The hair literally loses its memory of how to coil properly. This is exactly why your curls can look tired or elongated the next morning. The internal spring has been stretched past its elastic limit. So, what's the solution? We've all heard about satin pillowcases, but the real key is evaporation management. You absolutely must ensure the core temperature of your hair is cool before you even think about hitting the pillow. A great way to do this is to use the cool shot button on your hairdryer. This helps to lock the hydrogen bonds firmly into their curled state before you go to sleep. Also, try to avoid heavy film-forming humectants in your nighttime routine. These products can trap moisture inside the hair strand, which keeps those hydrogen bonds fluid and much easier to flatten overnight. Your curls aren't gone, they're just waiting for the right scientific environment to come back to life. Stop letting your own body heat flatten all your hard work. If you're ready to see more deep dives into curly biology, let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos like this. I'm Jacob, and I'm glad to be back on this journey with you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.